Have you ever wondered that how can I get clean edges in watercolor painting when the edges are round? So one solution is using masking fluid, but it may not always be optimal. So here is a solution. Take masking tape and cut it in small pieces and stick around the image. Then take an X-Acto knife and you will be able to see the line drawing, and very carefully around the line drawing using the X-Acto knife cut the masking tape to your shape. You can very easily cut it to any irregular shape and you will get very clean edges the next time you paint watercolors. I hope this tip is helpful, and please share and follow for getting more such tips. Thank you.